This video is going to be all about organization of your files in order to be able to quickly find what you need and use it efficiently so that you're not all over the place looking for various pieces. This is a folder on my computer. I have documents, embroidery, and chicken salad. And instead of quilting, I have it in an embroidery folder. To me, this is an embroidery quilt the way I'm making it. And I have a folder in here for Hattie. I have a folder for chicks. I've got some working documents. Beak feet is the 1/4 inch shape that I made in the canvas. And that's going to work with all of the chickens. That one stays outside. And then here is my cutting matrix that I created, so I know who gets what pieces. So the first thing I'm going to do, I have a folder already for Hattie. I'm going to right click on here, and then I'm going to go to New and go all the way up to Folder. You click anywhere in the white space, and that will give you that menu. You don't want to click on a document. And this new folder, I'm going to call it Beatrice, and just hit enter. I'm going to go through now and create a folder for every single chicken. So just like I have Ziploc bags with all of the cut pieces for each bird, now I have a folder for each bird as well. So in Brother Canvas, I'm at the home page. I'm just going to click on this tab right here for My Projects. And as you can see, I've scanned in all of the pieces and I named them the number at the top. I just put a space between the number of pieces and they are sequentially in order if there's multiples. So this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 18, and this is 22. That's what I did with those. And I'm going to just hit the download button and download to PC. And it's coming into my downloads folder. I'm going to go back to my projects. And I'm going to download this one now. Download to PC. I'm going to continue to do this to all of my pieces. All right, so now that I've got these side by side, I love Windows that I can do this. I'm going to close this up so I don't have to see it and have it be in the way. I'm going to click on View and go to Show, and I'm going to uncheck Navigation Pane. And that brings my folders right over next to where I need them to be. Put on my glasses so I can see what I'm doing. When you move things out of downloads, it's not going to copy, it's just going to move. So I've clicked it one time. I'm going to grab it and I'm going to drag it down to Percy. See, it says move to Percy, not copy. So there, it will take it out of the downloads folder. Now, where I have multiples, I will copy and paste. 28 belongs to Hattie. I think I already have hers in there. 29 belongs to Myrtle. And now these multiples. I'm going to right click, copy, and 1 through 4 goes to Cornelius, right click, paste, Prudence, right click, paste. That's piece 1. So I'm going to continue to do this to all of the pieces 1 through 4, then, and 13, 21, 26 that this is listed on. So because I had copied all of the birds have 1 through 4 in them, then these pieces I didn't have to copy and paste again into those folders because they're all bundled into one. Okay, so I have gone through and copied all of these pieces into the folders. Let me minimize this. That's my downloads. And I'm going to go back. I like to view my navigation pane. That's in the view menu at the top. I'm going to grab this and pull it over, make it a little bigger. If I go through these now and double click a folder for a chicken, there are all of the pieces that I need to put that chicken together right there. So in the embroidery folder, scroll up here to the top, and I'm going to come down to chicken salad. I'm just going to highlight it one time and grab it, and I'm going to drag it right under embroidery in my navigation pane. And that way it's going to be quick for me to get there. I could be anywhere. I could be in my EMB designs folder, and if I want to get back to chicken salad, I can just come over here and click it. And now I can easily get to all of the folders that I need, and every bird, whichever bird I'm working on, I can just go in and grab whatever I need. That's great.